Hello guys. Let me show you a little something I got from Burlington on today. Guys, I got me this cute office chair. Actually, it's gonna be my interview chair. Guys, I got this. The brand is BB. I like it. I like it because of I like the little details in it. And this is like a suede material. The chair adjusts to your height. So I like that. So I got that from Burlington BB. Let's go on to the next thing. I got the pink one as well. Brand is BB. Does the same thing. You can adjust the chair to your height. Love the little diamonds embedded in it. Nice little feel, soft for the low. Love it. So I got the black and pink. Also, I got some pictures that, I kind of went through on the wall. That's like a little bit of my personality, which is this. I got this above my TV, which is this is Chanel. I got that. So let's move over here. Little Dior nail polish, cute little pictures. So I got all four of these from Burlington. So, just doing a little something on the budget. Burlington Coat Factory for the win.